So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will give you the amazing website for all of members. So you have seen, first of all I will tell you the website name is SoFiUSD.com. So you have seen this first step is how to get registered. You have to just put in your email, login password, confirm password, security password, then confirm security password, then invitation code, then register. So if you want to log in this website, then pick my invitation code in my description. So guys, I will fill all information, then I will tell the next step. So friends, you have seen this is the latest announcement how to make your first million cryptocurrency market use artificial intelligence. To close the button, you have seen we have recharge, withdraw, download app, agents, corporation, and company profile here, and use the withdraw record here, and real time codes, Binance, Octex, Hubai, and Ethereum, and a lot of currencies, and a lot of tasks, and a lot of daily reward and daily benefit of this website. So you have seen, you have to read all information of this website. So first step is how to get recharge. Simply you have to choose USDT TRX20 and quantitative account and copy this address and open your wallet account. Paste this address there, then you will get your recharge amount. So friends, here we are. Open the USDT TRX20 and paste your address and enter your amount and next the button. So this is simple information how to get recharge, and you just confirm the button, then you will get your recharge amount. After recharge, back to your site and just click the button recharge complete, then you will get your recharge amount. So back to your site. So next step is how to get withdraw. So simply withdraw the button. So you have seen this, you have to paste your address, withdraw USDT 20 address and withdraw amount and security password, then you will get your recharge your withdraw amount. So before withdraw, so you have to quantify, click the button quantify, and you have seen this, choose start to 2 tasks completed, and you have to wait a moment, then you will show your total amount. So you have to see this, we done the first task, you have seen this first task is completed, again task. So you have seen this, we done that, we have 2 tasks of this website. So we done the task, you have seen this. So total amount I will show you, total assets, you have seen the 26.52. So friends, here we are, open TRX20 and receive the button, copy this address, back to your site and open your, so again open your withdraw. So enter your withdraw amount 1.522600 and withdraw and enter the security password and confirm. So you have seen this, we done the withdraw. So you have seen this, we done the withdraw. This is the invite section. First of all, copy this link and copy this address, send your friends and family members, they will get rewards many more time, and post this code, share Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram, another social media platform. This is the invest section. You have seen this, there are investment and record section, and this is the section, you have a lot of VIP1, VIP2, VIP3, VIP4, VIP5, VIP5, VIP6, VIP7, VIP8, VIP9, and a lot of VIPs and core cooperative financial institutions. So my the button, and you have seen this is the detail of this section. This is the profit withdraw deduction 1.52 is proof here, and this is the news, and this is the quantification tutorial and common problems here, and again back to the home section, and this is the section of your agent cooperation. Here you have to read all information. So if you have any problem, then click on headphone, that solve our problem through Telegram. See you to the next project.